Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Type chkdsk /f/r and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space // and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c:/. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c:/ \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c:/ /boot /bcd space bcd.old then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.